This is our lesson number 30, part 1 in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. From here, we are learning about Spinel group, Spinel family. This is our lesson number 30, part 1. Please subscribe and give like and share if you forgot yet. Now we are discussing, this is the Sri Lankan spinel. It is like pebbles, very clear stones, pebbles like. There are mainly red, blue, and purple in colors. And surface of the rough stone has a thin appearance. We can see the surface as very thin surface. It is an appearance. It is an appearance. And a dried nature, dried thin appearance comes with spinel. That is very easy to understand, identify. Color is coming due to iron, chromium, and cobalt. Iron, chromium, and cobalt gives the color for spinel stone. Here, Sri Lankan pebbles. This is the crystal shape of the stone, spinel stone. These are the cut and polished spinels, red spinel. These are Mahangi spinel from Tanzania. There are a lot. We are moving to the next part. In here, there are a lot of things described here. First of all, I will move to the brown color area. Spinel is the magnesium/aluminium. Magnesium and aluminium member of the larger spinel group of minerals. It has the formula magnesium aluminate in the cubic crystal system. Crystal system is cubic. Its name comes from the Latin word spinella, which means spine in reference to its pointed crystals. It gives pointed crystals in both sides. So that is the name spine comes. Now I am moving to here, diagnostic properties. Spinel and corundum. I need to consider and compare the differences between spinel and corundum. Look at the property, spinel. It is magnesium aluminate, MgAl2O4. Corundum, aluminium oxide, Al2O3. Magnesium is the extra atom inside the composition. This is the difference, magnesium aluminate and aluminium oxide, corundum. Crystal system in spinel is isometric. In corundum, hexagonal, 6 sides. Typical crystal form in spinel, remember this, it is very easy to remember, octahedrons. That means 8 sides. 8 sides are there, octahedrons. Another one is dodecahedrons. Dodecahedrons means 12 sides. Spinel comes with 8 sides or 12 sides sometimes. So remember, it is very easy to understand the crystal shape, 8 sides or 12 sides. Corundum is hexagonal prisms. Hardness of corundum is 9, but the spinel 7.5 to 8. That is the hardness. These are the differences between spinel and corundum. Octahedron, typical crystal form is octahedron or dodecahedron. Octahedron means 8 sides. Dodecahedrons means 12 sides. But the corundum is hexagonal. This is very easy to identify difference between these. Now I am moving to here, physical properties. In here, physical properties of the spinel is mentioned. Chemical classification is oxide, magnesium aluminum oxide. This is the formula. And the The colors of spinel span the entire spectrum. Entire spectrum means there are 7 colors in the spectrum. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and purple. White, black, gray, and colorless spinels also exists. Remember that. White, black, gray, and colorless spinels also exist. Those are the colors. Streak, colorless, harder than the streak plate. Luster, vitreous to subadamantine, glassy-like, vitreous to subadamantine. Diaphanity, opaque through transparent, from opaque to up to transparent. Cleavage, no cleavage in this stone. Hardness, Mohs hardness, 7.5 to 8. Then the specific gravity, next one, normally 3.5 to 3.61. Rare zinc-rich spinel can be as high. Zinc-rich spinel means Ghano Spinel. It may be, it consists 4.40 specific gravity. It is different. Diagnostic properties, hardness, octahedral crystals, 8 sides. Isotropic, vitreous luster, lack of cleavage, no cleavage. Chemical composition, magnesium aluminum oxide, that means magnesium aluminate. Crystal system is isometric. See, uses, the only significant use of natural spinel is as a gem. It uses as a gem. That is the only significant use of natural spinel is as a gem. However, synthetic spinel made in thin transparent sheets can serve as a more durable substitute for glass. So be careful. Remember this. Here we can see a lot of rough stones. See the shape. This is Tanzania blue spinel. Spinel crystal on the mother stone is marble matrix. It is from Mogok, Burma. Red spinel. Spinel with mother stone. Then here, this is Afghanistan. Here rough stones. It is dry look. See the dry look. And here, Ola octahedron shape. You can see the spinel shape, crystal shape here. Octahedron. Another one. See this. Some stones are pebbles, but some are octahedron. Shape is there. These are the rough stones. Spinel is most famous for its deep red variety. Deep red variety that closely resembles ruby. Be careful. Spinel is complicated with ruby. These two gemstones, that means spinel and the ruby, can be very difficult to distinguish. Many famous old rubies were discovered to be in fact spinel. For example, the enormous ruby that forms the centerpiece of the royal crown of England, the name is the Black Princess ruby, was actually determined to be spinel. Spinel is a gemstone that comes in a variety of colors. Pure spinel is colorless, but little impurities are responsible for the wide range of colors. The most valuable and desirable spinel color is a deep blood red, though blue, yellow, orange, pink, and purple colors also make fine gemstones. Spinel is often fluorescent in ultraviolet light. You can find this very well. You can remember this very well. Spinel is often fluorescent in UV light, and this can be helpful in its identification. So remember, UV light gives us the spinel separate from the other stones. Now look at here. There are Top 5 spinel facts I need to explain. 5. First one is, with a hardness of 8, spinel is a durable gemstone, perfect for an engagement ring. A hardness of 8 makes it suitable for jewelry. That is the number 1 fact. Number two is easiest to be cleaned with warm soapy water and a soft bristled toothbrush. It is mentioned here. Number 3, it is this. In the olden days, these gems were often confused to be a ruby. 3 is here also. Number 4 is this. What is it? These gems are colored by iron, chromium, and cobalt. It is the number 4. Iron, chromium, and cobalt gives them color. So, number 5 is spinels have a clear, crisp color because they reflect and refract a single ray of light as a whole. You know the meaning of reflect and the refract. Both are doing. So the spinel is single refractive stone, not double refractive. It is single refractive stone. So as the light emerges from the stone as only a single ray, it has a clear, pleasing color. These are the top 5 facts of spinels. Now I move here. Here, this is the Mozambique spinel crystals. Look at the octahedral shapes. 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other side also 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other side also 4. Like diamond crystals. The shape is like diamond crystals. Spinel is easily synthesized. Remember this. This is easily synthesized and can be made into any color by adding impurities. Synthetic spinel is often simulated to replicate many other gemstones such as diamond, sapphire, and zircon. Because of the abundance of synthetic spinel, one must always be careful only to purchase this gemstone from reputable dealers. When you are buying spinels, remember to buy from reputable dealers only. If not, you will get confused with synthetic spinels. For this, if it is a rough stone, make sure to understand the natural characteristics of the outer surface of the stone and do a lab test. Remember this very well. If not, you will be buying unwanted synthetic one. Almost all colorless stones are synthetics, and very rarely colorless stones can be obtained naturally. It is very, very rare. Almost all colorless spinel gemstones are synthetics, as it rarely occurs colorless in nature. Now you can remember lot of things here. The most outstanding spinel in size, color, and quality is from Burma. Other sources of gem spinel are Sri Lanka, Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand, Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Tanzania, and Madagascar. This is Mozambique. If you forgot to subscribe yet, please subscribe and do like and share. Now we are moving to here. Look at this blue spinel. You can understand the 8 sides here. Can find. This is very beautiful. The body skin. The surface of the stone has a dry and thin appearance. Can you identify? Dry and thin appearance also there. And also itch marks. Itch marks can be seen in triangular shapes. See the triangular shapes. Lot of triangular shapes are there. Itch marks are there. Triangular shapes on the surface of the stone. And within a triangular shape, there are more triangular shapes and stripes. Can identify. This is the crystal shape. Then here, look at this. Here, there are octahedron shape you can find. See octahedron shape. No itch marks like this, but sometimes you can find itch marks. So the skin color and the skin appearance you have to follow. See, 8 sides, octahedron shape. So it is spinel. Blue spinel octahedron with natural growth marks. These are the natural growth marks. Remember this. This is the only stone comes with this kind of triangular shapes marks. Now look at here. These are the Sri Lanka spinels from alluvial deposits. All are pebbles like. We can see the transparent, dry, thin layer, thin skin, dry and thin skin. Transparency is there. No inclusions. And here, these are spinels. See the spinel here. See the spinel crystal from Ratnapura, octahedron. And the triangular itch marks also there. Those are pebbles. All are very easy to identify with the skin appearance and the color. Now here all are cut and polished spinels. This is orange spinel, blue green, black, black, yellow, yellow, light bluish violet, purple color, pink color, purplish pink, dark red, red, pinkish purple, deep red, all are spinel cut and polished stones. Here, red spinel from Tanzania. Tanzania is very famous to bright spinels. This is also red spinel. Red spinel is complicated with the ruby. This is Burma pink spinel. Red spinel from Tanzania, Mahengi town. Mahengi is the Tanzania area. Country is Tanzania. Mahengi is the city. It is red spinel. These are the spinel jewelry. Mahengi spinel and diamond ring with 18 karat white gold. See the beautiful. These are the cut and polished different colors in spinel. Here, spinel colors are mentioned. What are the colors? This is blue spinel. Neon pink, brown, gray, black, pink, purple, violet, green spinel, yellow, red, orange. Now look at the center. Black spinel. All are black. You can identify the shape, crystal shapes also, octahedron shapes. Because of high iron concentrate, acts as a natural magnet. These spinels act like magnets. The magnetic field is there. Black spinel here, because of the iron content, it acts like a magnet. So remember, spinels can find with magnetic activity. Magnetic activity is always with the spinel. Right. Join us, learn and enrich your future. We will meet with spinel part 2 in the next lesson number 31. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Give like, share and a comment. Now I am going to stop. We will meet in lesson number 31.